Hey guys, how does it feel to drive a kind of okay hatchback? एक नॉर्मल हैचबैक है, इसको रात में गेड़ी लेते हैं, कैसी फील आती है। टोटल मैं लुक दिखा दूँ। दिस इज़ 2006 और 5 मॉडल ऑल्टो विदाउट एनी एसी। सो द टोटल पावर आउटपुट इज सिंपली गेटिंग डिलीवर्ड इनटू द फ्रंट टू व्हील्स। इसको चलाने का भाई साहब मज़ा ही अलग है। मैं भी आप इसको चला के दिखाता हूँ। एंड द म्यूज़िक इज़ डैम लिट। Okay guys, the music is literally damn. Wait, and brakes down. Traction control is off off itself. Okay, let me start the car. Okay, wait. I had the tripod, but it's missing now. So guys, please wear the seat belt and please wear the mask. Let me wear the seat belt. Okay, the interior lights are not working in that good manner, so we're gonna take the car. निकल जल्दी। Okay guys, so enjoy the driving. The exhaust note is extremely good. The car is onto the third gear. The speed is something around 80. Okay, it's 80. The braking is extremely good. I don't know how, but this particular variant of the Alto is simply managing to rev as much as it can. It's simply going rad. Let me take a U-turn. Okay. Let it go out. जा रही है गाड़ी, जाने दो. Okay, no wheel spin, but still okay. Oh man, damn, this car is lit. This car is simply lit. I don't enjoy the American engines as much as I enjoy the Japanese ones. The French ones are also not that good. Okay, the braking is extremely good. I don't know how. Even the frontal left disc pad has some sort of maybe cracks or something like that. But guys, it's going literally damned. Okay, I should not do this. Wait. Here's a speed breaker. I know this road very well. Here's a speed breaker. The suspension is quite okay-ish. Not very good. Honestly judging the car, it's not the best. It's not even onto the perfect side. It's kind of okay. The Fortuner. Getting passed through the road. Okay. It's also Japanese. So simply, it's a dad and it's a son. The relation of the dad and son. Okay. Hey, let me pass over the roads. Guys, the fun of driving this particular variant of the Alto is something like you are driving a pocket rocket. Simply, I'm simply describing you this car in two simple words. This car is pocket rocket, and you can enjoy it as much as you want. Okay, this particular variant, I am not talking about the variant with AC or variant with power steering. Okay, the Fortuner meant my feelings. Okay. देखो गाइस, ऐसे रोड में रात में एक चीज़ नोटिस करना कि गाड़ी डिवाइडर पे ना जाए. You should have to drive the car into the with the help with the 100% of your conscious mind. Okay, one lady is crossing the road. So रोड का मुझे 100% दिया. एक तरह से बोलोगे तो आइडिया है. यहाँ पे एक स्पीड ब्रेकर है, तो जंप कराते हैं इस पर से. ये इसीलिए आई एम ड्राइविंग दैट मच रेडली. Okay, ये आ गया मेरा फ्लैट. अब देखो टर्न लेते हैं. ओके 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 ओके. No, no, no. I can do it. I can do it. Don't do favor for me. So let me park the car. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do my channel and please do like, share and subscribe.